Welcome to DJ's Pristine Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Ford Focus. It's the ST-2. It's becoming very rare now. It's in the best colour. It's in lovely condition, as you can see, all the way around. Nice and original example. Privacy glass to the rear. Park distance control. ST-2 body styling kit. You can see it's in lovely condition. Bigger rear spoiler at the back as well. Got the parcel shelf. Boot area is in lovely condition. Lovely ST2 interior with the blue stitch piping to go with the exterior. Electric windows, electric mirrors, Caro seats. An ST embossed on the front seats. It's only done 58,891. It's a nice low mileage example. Drives very tight. Cruise control, automatic headlights, ST steering wheel. Got your boost bar and oil pressure and everything all up the top there. That isn't flashing, that's just a shut speed on the camera. 6-speed gearbox, climate control, centre armrest. You've got an aux and a USB in there as well. Really no wear on it. Absolutely lovely condition, as you can see. It's nice and standard, sound standard. At DJH we've full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.